So picture this, you've been out flying your DJI drone, whether it's the Mini 4 Pro, the Mini 3, the Air 3, the Classic, etc, etc. But the controller you are using is one of these controllers with the built-in screen. And of course, hopefully you've just captured some absolutely brilliant footage and some stunning photos. And ultimately, it's pointless capturing those unless people see them, right? Well, what you're going to need to do is, of course, transfer them from this controller to your mobile phone to be able to share them on social media nice and easily, whether it's Facebook, YouTube, or of course Instagram. Well, just recently I have seen absolutely tons of people that are new to DJI drones with these screen controllers asking that very question on social media as to how you get the files from this piece of kit onto your mobile phone to be able to share on social media like I've just mentioned. So of course in this video I'm going to show you the easiest and most simple way how to do it, and most importantly, if you are watching this video and you do see anybody else asking this question, please feel free to direct them to this video so of course we can all see the stunning shots that you drone flyers create. So let's get into it. So of course you have been out flying and you have captured some absolutely epic footage. The easiest way to get access to this footage is by simply pressing this album button on this screen right here. Right then you can of course see anything that you may have filmed and what you may have recorded, and this is just a little shot that I did myself only a few days ago. Okay, where I just film my car, okay, and of course trying to capture some really cool shots flying pretty low to the ground, okay. But of course if I wanted to share that to social media, or of course the photo that I've taken, of course I need to get it onto my mobile phone. So here is the simplest way that we can do it. Now what I'm going to do now is just grab my mobile phone, open up obviously I'm working from the side here, so the DJI Fly app. So bearing in mind we have got our controller turned on, our drone turned on, and we have now opened up the DJI Fly app on a completely separate device. This isn't plugged into anything, it's completely and utterly independent. So as you can see right here, it is giving us the option to switch to the quick transfer mode to the DJI Mini 4 Pro. So all I'm going to do is click switch. Okay, what it's now then going to do is obviously try to pair the mobile phone directly with this. We're going to get this pop up right here saying it wants to join the local network that the DJI Mini 4 Pro has just created. So we're going to go ahead and click join. All we need to now do is click view album, but because we are now paired directly between the mobile phone and the drone, as you can see, if we look at our screen from our RC controller, it now tells us that we are in quick transfer mode and basically we're connected to a mobile device. We need to exit the quick transfer mode for the controller to be able to control this aircraft if we wanted to go fly. But of course we don't want to do that. All we simply need to do is press this photo right here, which is the one I'm looking to download, and then this icon right here, we can download it. And now because that photo is on my mobile device, I can open up an app such as Instagram and I can share it straight to my story if I want to go ahead and do that. And that is by far the easiest way you can do it. Now what we need to now do is just close that DJI Fly app, tap back on our controller, move that out of the way, and as you can see, we just exit the quick transfer mode, press exit again, and if we wanted to, we can click the go fly and we are ready to go flying once more. Nice and simple. But there is more to it because I want to show you a neat little trick. So what I'm actually going to do now is just turn this controller completely off, because even though people think this controller needs to be on, it actually doesn't. So if I just put that to a side and then do the same thing again, I'm just going to be using the camera above me. So if I open up the DJI Fly app, once again this controller is completely off, the drone is turned on, we switch that. Okay, going to go through the whole process again, just like we did before. And there we go, those are all of our files. So essentially, we do not even need to have this controller turned on. All you need to do is have this drone turned on, open up the DJI Fly app and connect wirelessly to be able to view all of your albums and download them straight to your mobile phone. So there we go. I'm sure absolutely tons of experienced drone flyers do know how to do this, but if you didn't, or most importantly, if you are new to DJI drones and you've got the screen controller, this is how you transfer all of your files to easily share to social media. If you found this video useful, of course, please do give it a big thumbs up. It tells the YouTube algorithm more people just like you might want to watch this video. Subscribe if you're awesome, and until next time, see you again soon.